How we do's in day one in the books for this $1,500 account challenge. I sort of blew it today, although I finished with about 150 in profits. Um, I just missed on some entries poorly, and yeah, so let's get right into it. I traded VRX. This was the only ticker I traded today. Um, I was originally short biased with the gap up fading into the open. Uh, we got this quick spike up here. All right, I'm on the 2 minute right now, 2 minute chart. We got this quick spike open. Wow, how you doing, John? We got this quick spike at the open here, and we faded off like I thought we would. I did not take an entry. I was looking for maybe a little bit more of a spike at the open to short. Didn't get it, and we bottomed out down here. I don't short into weakness, so I didn't short down in here. We bottomed out, and let's go to the 1 minute because that's what I traded off of for this trade. We bottomed out down here, and once we made this higher low right here, and a second higher low, I was looking for the break of 11, the whole $11, which was coincidentally VWAP, which couldn't get any better to go long. So that's what I did, and I went long at 11:01. I think it was 500 shares at 11:01, and I took off into the first spike. I took off into this first little consolidation here because we were down on the day, or not down on the day, but we gapped up so high, and this stock has such a massive flow, and I think it traded over 100 million shares today. So it's choppy, it's up and down, and I let it squeak me out, and I didn't really look at the bigger picture. Once we squeezed over above VWAP, honestly, I had such a good entry at 11:01. I should have held until we cracked VWAP again or back down to 11 because it really didn't show signs of that at all. The lowest we ever got was back down to 11:12. And my original entry was 11:01. And I think I took out around 11:18, 11:19 for around a 85, 90, $95 gain on that one. I totally blew it not holding. Obviously, as you can see, we ended up just absolutely squeezing up to the upside, breaking through pre-market highs. I just wasn't sure if we were going to go red to green, and I should have held just for the test to see because I had such a solid entry here at 11:01, just above VWAP. I should have let it run, and I didn't. So that's where I hurt myself big time. My second trade, my other profitable trade I had on this today was right in here. So we get this huge run up, and I tried to short a couple of these pullbacks here, and I got shaken out for $15, $20 losses. I think two of them. I was trying just to pick the top, and it just wasn't the top. That's as simple as that gets. I was trying to pick the top, and I didn't get it. So I let it run some more. 1243 hit. We had this bigger pullback here, and we made this lower high, and I said, okay, the top's in. Let's see if I can get another bounce to short into, which we got. Zoom out a little bit, which we got here. So we got this spike up, and this was a lower high. came back down. I got shorts in this secondary spike here. I tweeted this out. I didn't even have a good entry. I was looking at something else and I missed getting short at the top here. I think I got short at 11.15 or 12.15 on its way down, and I covered right at the bottom of this candle at 11.97. Pretty much at the direct bottom. I think it got down to 11.96. So I covered at 11.97 there. Now this was a perfect trade, perfect cover, perfect all the way around. Solid setup. I missed the top here. I mean that's I just missed the top. There was another $150 left on the table, and I missed the spike up before. The reason I didn't short into this uh spike right here is because like I said, the previous two, I wasn't patient enough and I tried to pick the top and it shook me out. So I was worried that we were going to get another breakthrough 1243 and farther up to the upside. But what I failed to do was look at the daily. I was so caught up in the chart I was looking at for the today, I didn't see resistance we had here at 1256. And that was my fault. We seen resistance at 1255, 1256 a few months ago, 2 months ago. If I had seen that, I wouldn't have tried to short in here on the way up, trying to catch the top. I would have just let it ride to as close to 1256 as possible and then took a short, which was the play. If you got short, this is the 5 minute right now we're looking at. If I got short anywhere up here on this candle using that 1256 daily resistance, plenty of room to the downside. That's 40-50 cents right there. I just blew that one too. So I think on total I made 4 trades on this scaling in and out. SureTrader on the website platform, it shows like 14 total trades or something, but each individual, like if I bought 650 shares and then sold 300 and then sold 300, they would count that as 3. That's what it shows. So I think it shows like 12 total. But yeah. So I traded this, about 4 total times, I'm pretty sure. It might have been 5. But my 3 losers are really small. They were $15, $20 max. It just shook me out. I was trying to pick the top and couldn't get it on the way up. And if I had just let my initial buy from 1101 run like I should have, then we have what, 500 shares at 1101. I mean, hindsight, obviously you can look at all the way up here, but I would have taken off probably on this pull right up here. That's 60 cents. That's $350 gain on 500 shares. 65, 70 cents that's solid. So the key is patience, obviously, and I just didn't have it today. Trying to short, like I said, on the way up, trying to pick the top, didn't work. Taking off too quick. So I ended with about 150 on the first day of this challenge. Solid. I mean, I'm not going to complain about that, especially on a $1,500 account, $150. We're just going to, it's putting us in the right direction. So let me pull up, let's pull up the PowerPoint here. All right, so I'm just going to keep track on a calendar here while I'm struggling. I don't even know. Can't even speak. I'm going to keep track on a calendar here, mark down the wins and losses. I tweeted out as well at JA_trades. I tweeted out my P&L for the day. I'll do that at the end of every day. So everyone can see what that is, what that looks like. And I will update my Profitly. I will get those updated at the end of the on the next day as well. It takes a day to get those in. So that's that. Day 01, PNL plus 150. Traded one stock 5 times. Too many trades, like I said, but we're gonna look to keep this going here, and I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Good luck, everyone. Peace.